guys, it's still me, your favorite Mary J. Black. I Miss Muhammad in the building. Very. You're giving me wind and rain. So actually, guys, I know a lot of you all have seen it from the title. I bought my dad his dream house. Like, this has been my plan for a very long time to get him this kind of a house.
Guys, my name is Mux Muhammad, aka Gaskiya Anogo Pay. So guys, from my looks, guys, I'm so excited. Like, words can't express how excited I am, because if someone should tell me that Mux Muhammad, you'll be here some years back, last year, I'll tell the guy that, guy, do you know what you're saying? Because on this life we have Dia we have Dia. From selling kunu, because I used to sell kunu right from my primary school. That's how I'll carry my bucket like this. I'll sell kunu. And when I was in Polytechnic, if I'm not mistaken, HND2, I was still selling kunu. Then Mary J. Black was like, babe, it's high time you stop this business, because that's our mom's business. That's what we feed on. That's what we went to. Like, we use kunu money to go to school. She used kunu money to sponsor us to school. So it's not just easy, and we don't have anyone to support us, you know, sometimes family, so those kind of things. Like yesterday, I was telling Mary J. Black that, do you know, if someone should tell me, if this is a dream, please, I don't want to wake up. I don't want to wake up because it's too good to be real. Actually, Mary J. Black, I don't know what the words to describe her, because, she's a rare gem, guys. She's this one person that will say, I got you, and she truly got you. You know, there are some people that will say, I got you, and you call them, guy, I need 1,000. They will japa. Or you say, I'm in this problem, they will run. But Mary J. Black is not like that. Mary J. Black, she's this type of person that she will have 5,000 in her account, and if you should be like, Mary J, please, I need 4-5. She'll give you all the 5,000, and she'll stay broke. She's this caring type. Like, she has a heart of gold. I used to call her Mother Christmas, actually. So, God will bless you, Mary J. Black. God will bless you for this amazing gift, because it won't be you. I don't know what to say, actually. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. God will bless you with amazing kids that will be beneficial to you and the society. God will bless you. God will fulfill your heart desires. Sweet too. Major A. Abdullahi, thank you so much for the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God will bless you guys. God will replenish your pockets. God will fulfill your heart desires. I think that's all that I have to say.
All of the things I'm talking, not there, yeah. Everything I do if you're not there, cause I don't pray, my man, I don't pray. Come on, man, I can't stay for one place. Touch short, my touch good. I cry, offshore, but mine. they say they got you. One by me.